Hey guys, so today, I'm gonna show you how to make some slime. So, you can use this. I got these right back, and this is it. Okay, so if you don't have any activator like this, I don't have that much activator in it, but if you don't have activators, like I said, you can have baking soda or laundry detergent, whatever you want. And I just made some like really good slime. So it's glowing in the dark. And yeah. Mom, can you do that glue?
Oh yeah.
Okay. So I think you just heard what I said. I'm not talking about a glue bottle. I'm not doing this part because it's a jug of glue. like a jug. Oh gosh, it's hard to.
It's a lot of glue.
Yeah.
Lots and lots of glue.
And I don't want to do it.
Alright, let's see.
Okay, that's enough. Okay. When you got the glue, you can leave it white and you can put some paint in it. This paint is brand spanking new. So I'm gonna try to open it. Yeah, okay, got it. Okay, so then you add some paint in it if you want. You can just leave it white, I don't care. Okay, so you add some paint in it. And then you add some activator or baking soda, but I'm adding the baking soda because I think the baking soda does better and I don't have that much activator. So, yeah. And then we're gonna read out. Okay, guys. So let me get, here. Can you use a plastic fork to mix it up?
Sure.
Okay, so you can use a plastic fork or whatever you want. It doesn't matter. And then you mix it up. Actually, we need more baking soda. That's enough. Okay. Then you mix it up. See? And when you mix it up, you have to wait. And yeah, don't pick it up with your hands right immediately because then it'll just be a sticky mess. And if you add paint to it, it'll be worse. So you have to wait. So yeah, definitely don't pick this up. See, look, nope. You don't pick this up if it's already like this. So maybe. Oh no! Fork. Kidding me? Okay, it's fine. We're gonna add some activator in here, even though if I not want to use activator. I feel like activator does work, but baking soda does work. But oh, the activator actually helps more. Can you ask Ryan to buy some activator? The baking soda doesn't work.
It works without slime.
Yeah, but activator is actually better. So.
Okay.
Oh wait, guys, I have to say goodbye.